Hello everyone, I am Saujanya. I am from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today we are discussing about horizontal and vertical axis windmills. Introduction to horizontal and vertical axis windmills. Horizontal axis windmills has blades that rotate around a horizontal axis, and also vertical axis windmills has blades that rotate around a vertical axis. Both type of windmills are used to convert wind energy into electrical energy. Next, we can discuss the efficiency of horizontal axis windmills. Horizontal axis windmills are more common in large-scale wind farms. They are most efficient in converting wind energy into electricity. Horizontal axis windmills can be positioned to face the wind for optimal energy production. Design of horizontal axis windmills. Horizontal axis windmills typically have three blades. That blades are converted to a central hoop to that drives a generator. The two towers of the horizontal axis windmill supports the rotative. Advantages of horizontal axis windmills. Horizontal axis windmills has higher energy output compared to vertical axis windmills. They are easier to maintain the repair. Horizontal axis windmills are more cost efficient for large scale projects. Disadvantages of horizontal axis windmills. Horizontal axis windmills are not suitable for urban or residential areas due to their size. They can be noisy and have visual impacts on the landscape. Horizontal axis windmills require a higher wind speed to start generating electricity. Efficiency of vertical axis windmills. Vertical axis windmills are less common but have advantages in certain applications. They can capture wind from any direction, making them suitable for urban environments. Vertical axis windmills are more compact and can be replaced closer together. Next, we can discuss the design of vertical axis windmills. Vertical axis windmills have blades that rotate around vertical shift. The rotor of the vertical axis windmills is connected directly to the generator. Vertical axis windmills has a lower profile or less visual obstructive, and also it has designed the either vertical or the shape of the egg beater and similar to many waste and wind power. Advantages of vertical axis windmills. Vertical axis windmills are more suitable for areas with changing wind directions. They are safer for birds and bats as blades are lower to the ground. Vertical axis windmills require less maintenance compared to horizontal axis windmills, cheaper to produce than horizontal axis turbines, more easily installed compared to other wind turbines, transportable from one location to another, and also functions in extreme weather with variable winds and even mountain conditions. And disadvantages of vertical axis windmills. Vertical axis windmills has lower energy output compared to horizontal axis windmills. They may experience more stress on the blades due to turbulent winds. Vertical axis windmills has lower overfall efficiency in converting wind energy, and also tip speed ratio and power output are very low compared to horizontal axis generators. Wind power must compete with other low cost energy sources, and ideal wind sites are often too remote locations, and turbine produce noise and after visual authentics. Wind plants can impact the local wind life. Comparison of horizontal and vertical axis windmills. Horizontal axis windmills are more efficient but larger in size. Vertical axis windmills are more in the terms of placement and are safer for windmills. The choice of between horizontal and vertical axis windmills depends on the specific application and location. Applications of horizontal axis windmills. Horizontal axis windmills are commonly used in large wind farms. They are also used for commercial and industrial electricity generations. Horizontal axis windmills can be found in rural areas with constant wind patterns. Applications of vertical axis windmills. Vertical axis windmills are suitable for urban environments and residential areas. They can be integrated into buildings and structures for on-site renewable every generation. Vertical axis windmills are used to remote locations where traditional wind turbines are not feasible. Features trends in wind energy. The development of hybrid wind turbines system combining horizontal and vertical axis designs, and also research into new materials and technologies to improve the efficiency of wind turbines. The integration of wind energy systems with energy storage solutions for improved renewability. Next, we can discuss about the environmental impact of wind energy. Wind energy is a clean and renewable source of electricity. These wind turbines produce no greenhouse gas emissions during operations. Proper setting and design of wind farms can minimize impacts of wildlife and ecosystems. At last conclusion, horizontal and vertical axis windmills plays important roles in the transition to renewable energy, and each type of windmills has its own advantages and disadvantages on the application. The continued development of the wind energy technologies will drive the growth of clean energy and wildlife. Thank you.